I'm going to do a quick review of tower bread bean in this video. This bread bean comes in black and rose gold and different other colors like black or silver. I got this because it coordinates with the other items that I have in the house. The tower kettle, which is rose gold, the tower toaster, the mug, the kitchen roll holder, and just different items. The bread knife set, they're all rose gold and black. Bread bean is very large. You can see it can hold a loaf of bread. You can have your breakfast items such as your hot cross buns, your brioche, and other types of bread, scones, everything still go in because it's very large, and you can use this for a family of up to 6 because it can hold a lot of things. Like I said, you can see I've got this sliced bread and it goes in. You can push it sideways or horizontally or vertically, and then arrange other products. It goes down and it's quite very tight. You can't get here going in. So this to me is the best one I've bought. I've had one before that most of the bread inside it goes all bad after a few days, but with this tower one is really beautiful and I would love to recommend it. I have no negative about this tower bread bean. So I hope you'll be able to enjoy this review and see you again soon. Thank you and bye bye.